I'm the developer of Ansari, the Islamic AI assistant, and I just want to show you how you connect Ansari to Claude, because that's the one that I prefer. So I'm going here now to github.com/Ansari project/Ansari skill, and I'm going to just click here where it says ansariskill.zip and download it. So now it's saved the file locally here, and I'm going to go to Claude. There's a couple of settings you need to check before you can make sure that Ansari can be used, and that is that you have to go here to capabilities and make sure that code execution and file creation and allow network egress is enabled. That allows your Claude or whatever to be able to talk to the Ansari backend. After that, I'm going to go back here to the normal page, and I'm going to click on the Customize button. I'm going to click on Skills, and I'm going to click on this plus button, and I'm going to upload a skill, which is this one here, the one that we just downloaded. Now that's now uploaded, it's now uploaded as Ansari. And now I can click on a new conversation and ask a question like, how many times is Coral mentioned in the Quran? By the way, you should never worry about typos with AI. They're good enough to work out what you're trying to work out. So even though it was horribly typed, it's now reading up on Ansari and learning how to use Ansari and talk to Ansari. It's now writing a little bit of code, and that code is now uploading and talking to Ansari. And that in return should return the answer to its question any moment now. And so what you can see here is it's returning the answer that Quran. If you want to see the details, you can go here and you can go to the script that it wrote, and it shows you the answer that came back from the script. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how to use Ansari together with your application.